very useful book. It has a lot of knowledge, a lot of information that will be helpful for you in your other classes, in your secondary classes as well. I hope you will get a lot of things, you will learn a lot of new things from this book. And so today we are going to start the first topic from this book that I have taken from your grammar section. You will be given the syllabus for midterm very shortly. As soon as our physical classes will be started, you will be given the midterm syllabus, in which all things will be written about comprehensions, lessons, poems from the reading circle, and the grammar topics from junior English. Okay, so the first topic that we are going to learn today is the grammar topic, and that name is nouns. A very known topic to you. You have studied nouns from class 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope so. And you must know at least basic knowledge about the nouns, like what are nouns, what types of nouns are there, or what does it mean, what do they describe. So let's start the topic nouns. What are nouns? This is a question, that what are nouns? The basic question, the basic concept that everybody knows. Nouns are words that names a person, place, things, or ideas. The basic things are you are familiar with them, like person, place, thing, or animal. But here the word which is, I think, new for you is ideas. Like the noun is also the name of different ideas. Okay, some like non-materialistic things. For example, the thing that you cannot touch or smell, but they are called, you can say, non-materialistic things. Okay, so they are also included in nouns. For example, dreams, happiness, pleasure, care, these things which are not materialistic thing, but they are nouns. Okay, next point is that the word noun come from the Latin word nomen. Nomen, that means name. It is a Latin word. It is taken from the Latin language nomen. Nomen means name, and in English it is derived as nouns. Okay, so the nouns are the naming words. The shortest definition of noun is nouns are naming words. Okay, and the longest one, you can say, nouns are the words of any person, place, thing, or animal. Next point is, just everything that we see, touch, smell, taste, make, and even think are nouns. For example, car, water, pencil, beans, work, capitalism, psychology, phone, light, etc. Okay, so there are some materialistic things like car, pencil, water, beans. These things we can touch, we can see, we can smell some of them. But work and capitalism and psychology, these are the nouns that we cannot touch, we just think about them. Okay, so these are also called nouns. I hope you understand. Let's go for the next slide. Nouns. Nouns are naming words. A noun names a person, place, animal, or thing. This is another slide that is just describing you about nouns. Now there are some example persons like mother, nurse, girl, doctor. Place, market, church, park, bedroom. The examples of animal like crab, frog, lion, peacock. And the example of things are kit, clock, plum, and blocks. So these are all persons, place, animal, or thing, and their names are called noun. This is the another definition of nouns that will clear your concept about nouns. Noun is a word used to name a person, animal, place, thing, and abstract idea. Nouns are usually the first word which small children learn. This is definition taken from the University of Ottawa. So that is telling you that noun is a word used to name a person, an animal, place, thing, or any abstract idea. Abstract idea that I just told you, that abstract idea means anything that we cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot smell, but we can think about that, we can describe about that. Okay, so they are abstract things. Their names are also called nouns. Nouns are usually the first word which small children learn. Obviously, when you started speaking, ask your mother, what did you speak first? Most of the children speaks first their mother or father name, like mama or papa, and these are nouns. So noun is the first word that any child learns to speak. All right. Yes, children. Here are some group them using a tree map. Okay. Now it's a tree map. In this slide, they have described types of noun, common and proper. As you have learned them in class 2, 1, and 3. Like there are two types of noun, common noun and proper noun. Two types you have studied yet, but in the secondary classes you will learn that there are some more types of noun like concrete, abstract. Okay, for we will not talk about that types of noun today, because today our topic is not types of noun. We are just going to understand the identification of noun. Okay, here are common and proper nouns. As you know, common nouns are the names of any general things, and proper nouns are the names of any proper or specific or special things, person or place or animal. Like common nouns are tree, fruit, person, family. These are nouns that are used everywhere. Proper nouns like ballet tree, santol, sampolic, mango. Okay, santol mango, lolo antang, Lolarina, Leah Yico, Mr. Castillo, Trinidad family. Okay, these are some Western words which are not familiar to you, but in our wording, I can explain you that proper noun are special name which are given to any person, any place, anything, or any animal. Like if you have a pet is a common noun, but if you keep a special noun for your pet, that will be your proper noun. Okay, like you are boys and girls, these are common noun, but your names are proper nouns that your parents keep for you. Here some other example, two types of noun. First is common noun, names any person, place, or thing, like pool, student, pencil. These are common nouns. Two types of noun, like proper nouns. Here we have names of a particular person, thing. It begins with capital letter like Barack Obama, Burj Al Arab Hotel, Sir Francis Drake statue. These are very special things, a special place, a special person. So they are special, means proper nouns. Nouns, words that you use to name a word, person, placing, or idea. Now here is a little basic exercise about noun, in which directions are written. Write the noun below into the correct column. If we have some interaction, like in physical classes or online classes, I would be asking you to do this exercise, but right now I'm just explaining it. Okay, I have to take a pen. Yes, now there are some nouns written like teacher, pencil, eraser, school, library, doctor, desk, park, and girl. You have to separate them in different three columns. The three columns are person, place, thing, or animal. So if we take teacher, so it will come in the persons column. Okay, then pencil will be in place column. I'm just writing their numbers like 1 and 2. Third one is eraser. I did a thing wrong. What is that? Yes, pencil will be in thing column. Okay, next word number 3 is eraser. Again eraser with 3 things में आएगा. उसके बाद है हमारे पास like we have school will be in place 4. Okay, 1. Next word is library, number 5 word. Library will be in place like this. Number 6 is doctor. Doctor will be in persons column. Next word is desk. Number 7th word is desk. Desk will be in things column. And then next word number 8 is park. Park will be in place column, word number 8. Number 9 word is girl. Girl will be in person column. Okay, I'm just have written the numbers. I hope you understand it. Let's go ahead for the next slide. Yes, this is another exercise that I have selected for you. Underline the nouns in each sentence. It is a practice exercise that we will do here. Again, I need a pen here. Okay, ji. Underline the nouns. In this, you are supposed to just underline the nouns. Number 1, my grandma is cooking the turkey. Now, turkey is a type of bird. So, here are 2 nouns that we are going to underline: grandma and turkey. Okay, number 2. The leaves are all in the pile. Here, leaves and pile. Number 3. The gravy had my secret ingredients. Now, gravy and ingredients. The font size is very small, not easy to understand, so I'm doing it very carefully. Thanksgiving will be at my house this year. House, year, and Thanksgiving. Number 5. We are going to play football tonight. Football. Only one noun here. The pilgrims could see land ahead. Land and pilgrims. I will set the table before playing outside. Here, table, only one. The days have been getting shorter. Days. I am thankful to have such great friends. Friends. I can't wait for the Thanksgiving parade. Parade. Hot chocolate sounds great for such a cold night. Chocolates. And nights. The pumpkin patch was completely empty. Pumpkin. Or we can say complete word, pumpkin patch. I hope you understand. Next. This is your book exercise that you are supposed to do. Page number 10, exercise number 2, Junior English. Read these sentences through carefully, then make a list of all the nouns you can see in them. Okay, in this exercise I'm just telling you the nouns, and you will be doing this exercise in your copy or in your assignment. Let's see, if physical classes are started, then you will do this exercise in your copy. But firstly, right now you are going to do this exercise in Junior English, page number 10, exercise number 2. Let's start with me. Sentence number 1, the boy lost his football. Now there are two nouns. I'm just underlining them: boy and football. Okay, I hope you understand. Number 2, the women gave the dog bone. Now here are women, dog, bone, 3 nouns. Number 3, did the cat scratch your hand? Cat and hand. Yesterday I ate an orange, an apple and a banana. Orange, apple and banana. Number 5, the monkey ate all the nuts which the children gave him. Monkey, nuts, children. 3 nouns in this sentence. Number 6, the fireman climbed the ladder and saved the child. Fireman, ladder, child. Number 7, the teacher showed the class a boomerang. Teacher, class and boomerang. Number 8, we watched the kitten. This is kitten, not kitchen. We watched the kitten playing with a ball of wool. Now the noun is kitten and ball of wool. Next sentence number 9. The eagle has a hooked beak and curved talons. The eagle is a noun. Beak and talons. Last sentence. The robin is a brown bird with a red breast. Robin, bird and breast. These are 3 nouns. I hope you have understood this exercise. Copy. Right now you have to do only in the book, and let's see, if physical classes started, then I will tell you how to do this in copy. Thank you. I hope you all understand. You all have understood the topic noun and how to identify noun in a sentence. So for today